How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to edit your Google Workspace email as well as updating your secondary email for that account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all of it can be done by accessing the admin console on Google Workspace. So to actually do it, you guys would have to follow a series of simple steps like going to the admin console and basically following this path right here. So you want to navigate to the main menu on the left side, like so, and you want to select account, make sure that you're logged in, go to account settings, profile, blah, blah, blah. And it should take you guys to the configuration page where you get to update your existing Google Workspace email as well as the secondary email. And to show you guys what I mean, let's actually do it. So, how to change the secondary email associated with the Google Workspace account. So it reads that you would need to change the secondary email address where email notifications about Google Workspace account are received. So basically, by adding a secondary email, you're essentially rerouting all of the notifications that you would normally get on the main email to the secondary email. So this definitely helps with decluttering Google Workspace and helps you guys stay more organized. So the environment talks about, so basically the place that you guys need to go is the account settings as well as the admin console. So you can change the secondary email address from the admin console. You just have to specify a different email address that should be any address outside of your domain. So basically follow the steps, like the ones I talked about earlier, to effectively change your email. So it's saying here that within those settings, you should be able to change the main email as well as the secondary email. And to show you guys what I mean, what you guys would need to do is go to the admin console, right? So, so here's Google Workspace. So basically just navigate to the top right to take you to the admin console. Now, normally this would prompt you to enter your password, just as an added layer of security, authentication and whatnot to make sure that your account wasn't compromised. So just click on admin console, enter your password, and basically follow this path right here. So from the main menu, select account, account settings, then click on profile, and then contact info. And when you do, you should see the option to add a secondary email as well as edit your main email. So once again, click on profile, contact info, and then secondary email. And you can update the email address by clicking on it. Simple as that. And when you do, once you've inputted a secondary email for your Google Workspace account, simply click save and you guys should be done. Now, the secondary email is used to send important notifications about the Google Workspace account to the admin. For this reason, it is important that this email address is external to your domain in case you have any issues with the domain or account. So it acts as a backup as well as a repository for notifications about Google Workspace. That's simple. And to show you guys what I mean, let's actually go to the admin console here. Well, this is more of the help center. That will give you more info about setting up the email. So let's actually look for it here. Oh, here it is, users and domain. So here you have the option to add a new email address as well as new users to your Google Workspace account. So it's that simple. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.